Hi, I am Makesh Shivashankar. Welcome to our channel Sameer Financials. In this channel, we will be discussing about personal finance topics and other related subjects. If you like the content, please like and share with your friends. Thank you. And let's go to the today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about financial freedom. This subject is a very interesting subject and a subject which is very close to our heart because this channel is conceptualized based on this concept of financial freedom. You may be a working professional or a salesman or a business person, and you're doing that for getting that income. And inside your mind, you think that that's not the right thing that you have to do, but still you're doing it because you cannot afford to miss that salary or miss that income. That is not financial freedom. If you are financially free, you don't have to do that just for the sake of money. You will do it for your passion. So your passion may be to go out and travel and explore the world, but you cannot do that. You are tied up to your work because you have to get that salary. That is not financial freedom. If you're financially free, you can do what you want to do without bothering about the money or the income that you earn. So, how can you attain financial freedom? It is said that if you want to attain financial freedom, you should have multiple sources of income. Now, what do you mean by these multiple sources of income? Say, for example, you are working somewhere, you get salary, that's the source of income. Apart from that, say, for example, if you have a house, a property which is let out, you will get rental income from that. So that's another source of income. If you have written a book, you will get royalty from that. That's another source of income. So these are different ways that you can generate income. Another example is like if you have a bank FD which gives you interest, that's another source of income. So these are all multiple sources of income. You will attain financial freedom only if you create multiple sources of income. Now, among these incomes that I've told you, we can categorize this income into two different types. One is active income, and second one is passive income. Now, what is the difference between active income and passive income? The active income is something which requires your active participation to generate that income. Say for example, your salary. As long as you work, you get your salary. So that is an example of active income. But if it is a royalty from a book, you've written it once and that's it. You don't have to put any effort to generate that royalty income. That is called passive income. You attain financial freedom when your expenses is covered by your passive income, or another way, the day when your passive income surpasses your expenses, you are financially free. You don't have to worry about income. Your expenses are taken care by this passive income. So friends, what is the easiest way to generate this passive income? The easiest way to generate passive income is by creating a corpus which will generate income on a regular basis. Many people may not be able to write books and get royalty income. Many people will not have a property to get that passive income. So what you can do is, during your earnings time, you can start investment and create a corpus, and after some time that corpus will take care of your expenses. So friends, to make it short, if you want to be financially free, you have to create that passive income flow. And the easiest way to create that passive income is by creating a corpus which will generate that income. And mutual fund SIPs are the easiest way to create that corpus. You can start with very small amount, and over a period you will create the corpus which will take care of your passive income. And if you like to know more about any of these options, you can get in touch with us. Our numbers are given in the description box. Thank you for watching our video. Please, if you like this video and the content, like and share. Thank you.